Hey, Scott here with another video coming at you. Today we are looking at replacing the remote control for a winch. This is a Badlands Winch that I got from Harbor Freight. You might check out my other video on how I installed this winch on my trailer. But what happened is I went to load up a machine on my trailer that didn't have any power on its own, and went to use my winch and the remote control was gone. No idea where it went. Probably on a road somewhere. But anyway, had to figure out how to replace the remote control on the winch for the winch, and it turns out it's actually not that difficult. Just got to buy the right parts. So check out the video, and I learned something from this, and hopefully you will too. Alright, so here we're looking at the winch wireless receiver from the Badlands Winch that I got from Harbor Freight for my trailer. And yep, since I went ahead and lost the remote, I think it fell out of my truck somewhere, or so it's probably laying on the road somewhere, maybe even smashed to bits. But so what I did is I picked up some new parts, and I decided to go with the let's get this out of here. There it is, the X-Bull. There's a lot to choose from on the internet. I went with this one because it came with two remotes. And this is the mechanism that we're going to replace inside of here. So let's get this open and see what we've got going on. Alright, let's just open this thing up. Got some Phillips screws here. See how easily it opens. Okay, not bad at all. Alright, so alright, this whole thing comes out. Take the box away, and okay, so this one looks like the green wire is the antenna, and this, the new one, the blue wire, is the antenna. We've got a black and a red and a yellow and a white. Here we've got a black and a red and a yellow and a white. These connections are a little bit different. We've got a male spade connector, female, and a couple of loops. So we'll have to change the connections accordingly. So let's just take a close look at that, and looks like the red connects back here. So on here, the red has the loop, that's good. The black here is a spade. The yellow and the white are also spade. So on here we'll have to change the black and the yellow to female spade connectors. Alright, we'll do that. It should be noted too that on the old unit, the black wire, which would be the ground, it's a double connection here. It's like a pigtail. So we got one black wire going to the spade connector here. If we pull it off there, there's a pigtail off of that, then that connects up with this thick black wire. So I think on the new one, if necessary, we're going to leave this loop on there, but we'll run the pigtail from here to here. In fact, we'll just use this pigtail. We'll just cut it off right here. Okay, so far I have got the new control module here. I've got the black connected here to the black, and I kept that pigtail to connect to the spade connector. So that's all connected to this black wire. And then I took the red wire and connected it to here. So we're going to take the white spade and the yellow, we're going to change that to a female and slip it on the appropriate one here. So let's cut this off and put a female on there. Okay, so now we've got the I put a female spade connector on the yellow and use the spade connector that was already on the white, plug them back into the terminals where they were originally on the old system, and as far as I know, everything's hooked up. And we'll plug it into the winch, see what happens. Alright, so here we got some rednecking going on. Just to make sure that this is all working right, I just use a couple of small clamps to attach the red and black terminal to the battery, to the right posts. There's a new remote sensor, and here's the winch. Alright, so let's see what happens. Let's get the remote out. Oops, sorry about that. Here's the X-Bull remote. Only 2 buttons in and out, except for on the side there's an on-off button. Up in that position is on. So let's see what happens. Ooh, yeah, look at that. Alright, let's put the camera down and make sure it's in is in and out is out. Alright, we're just going to grab this and push the out button. Nice. And now we'll push the in button. Very good. Alright. We're back in business. So, pretty excited. Really easy fix. This is again the X-Bull. It came with 2 remote controls, and now I'll put that back in the box, seal everything up, put it back in the trailer. So thanks for watching.